H for head, E for eyebrow, E for eye, N for nose, E for ear, L for lips, A for arm, M for mouth, H for hand, T for tongue, L for legs, F for foot,